In this video, we are going to look at derivation, from the first principle. Let's say find the derivative of y equals 3x squared, from the first principle. The first step is, add change in y to y, and change in x to x. It follows that y plus change in y, equals 3 times x plus change in x, all square. This is so because of the power of x. On the right, we have x plus change in x squared. Which is basically x plus change in x, times x plus change in x. To expand the expression, we have x times x, which is x squared, x times change in x, which is x change in x times x, is x change in x, and change in x times change in x, is change in x squared. So we have x squared plus 2x change in x, plus change in x squared. Going further, we replace x plus change in x squared with x squared plus 2x change in x, plus change in x squared. So that the expression can be written as y plus change in y, equals 3 times x squared plus 2x change in x, plus change in x squared. Next we have y plus change in y equals 3 times x squared is 3x squared, plus 3 times 2x change in x, is 6x change in x, plus 3 times change in x squared, is 3 change in x squared. Next we take y to the right side. Since y is positive, going to the right will make it negative. So we have change in y equals 3x squared plus 6x change in x, plus 3 change in x squared, minus y. From the question, y equals 3x squared. So we replace y with 3x squared, and this will give us, change in y equals 3x squared plus 6x change in x, plus 3 change in x squared, minus 3x squared. 3x squared, minus 3x squared will cancel out, and we are left with change in y, equals 6x change in x, plus 3 change in x squared. Next we divide through by change in x. Dividing through by change in x we have change in y over change in x equals change in x cancel change in x will leave us with 6x, and change in x will cancel 1 change in x to leave 3 change in x. Next we take the limit as change in x tends to 0. Which in simple term means replace change in x with 0. So, as change in x tends to 0, change in y over change in x, also tends to dy over dx, which is read as dy, dx. Hence, we write the expression as dy dx equals 6x plus 3 times 0. Which is dy dx equals 6x. Please subscribe to my channel to encourage me to make more videos. Thanks.